Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. Today we are going to learn about how to align bullet points on Google Docs. So I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs first. Okay guys, so here I am on my Google Docs. So I uh, just create some bullet point text here. Okay, so I need to make it bullet point. Okay, so if you think this is alignment is not correct of your bullet point, okay, like this, then what you need to do, first we need to make sure that your ruler is visible. For if you don't find this ruler here, so just go to the view and make sure that show ruler option is enabled. Just click on it like this, then it will be visible to ruler. Okay, so now what you need to do, just select that text which is aligned not correct. Now here you can see rectangle option here, just select and hold it and drag at line. Okay, and same as you can also change the space between the bullet points and text. For that you need to just select the text. Now you have to select that rectangle icon and you can decrease the space between the text and bullet point. Okay, you can also, okay, so that is how you can make the align bullet point in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.